Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, BMW X5, xDrive 4-wheel drive, 3-liter diesel, 13 plate 2013, metallic grey. Car has front daylights, has front parking sensors. It's 21-inch M Sport alloy wheels. Car has privacy rear glass. Rear parking sensors, has reversing camera, electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, 4-zone climate control, aircon, heated seats, car has satellite navigation, side and rear camera, telephone, Bluetooth connection, DAB radio, push button to start, 4-zone climate control, aircon, heated seats, 2 central cup holders, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.